Let's see the coding part of BFS. So we will do in-order traversal of BFS. So see, we have this is the tree. We have root 1. Then nothing is there in left of root, and in right of root we have 2. For that we have in left we have 3, and right we have nothing. And this is the other example. You will learn from this one clearly. So 1 is root. What I have told is in order traversal, check for left, then root, then right. So now initially we have 1 is the root. So first of all we will check for left. So what is left of 1? It is 2. Again for 2 we will check left and right. It is 4. Then print root. If 2 will be printed, we can write the result. First 4 will be printed, then 2. Now for 2 we had checked the left, printed the middle one, root. Now we will check right. So in right we have 5. So 5 also we have left and right. So we have to check left, root and right. It is the order 6, then root is 5, then right is 7. So we have completed for 2 because for 2 left is checked, root is also printed, right is also checked. Now if we go to one upper level, we can see for 1 we have checked the left because for 1 this is complete is left, this one. And what is the root? Root is 1. And for right, in right of 1, we can see this one. So let's check for right of 1. In right of 1, we are able to see 3. So for 3 also, we have to check left, root and right. As you can see, there is nothing in left. So after left, we have to print root, then go for root right. So in right also, we have to check left, root and right. In 8, the left is 9, the root is 8 and nothing in right. So this would be the answer. You can see 4, 2, 6, 5, 7, 1, 3, 9, 8. So let's code this one. In this example, we don't have to print anything. We have to store it in an array. So it can be done using helper function. So first of all, let's create a helper function of void helper. Let's take the root and an answer vector. We have to pass the answer with reference. So what we will check, first of all, we will go to left. So we'll call the helper function left. So what is left? Root of left. Now we will, after left, we have to we have to push middle one, root. So answer dot push back root value. Now call for right, helper, root, right. These are recursion calls, so they will automatically see what is left and what is right. In this one, we also have to pass the answer vector. Yes. and one thing is base condition till where we have to stop. So suppose we are at 4. So helper is called for 4. So helper 4 and answer is, suppose we have answer of nothing is there in answer. So 4 is called, now helper of 4 left, after 4 left of 4 is called, and nothing is there in left of 4. So we have to stop there. So this is the best condition. If root is null, then we will simply return. So let's execute using helper. I'm creating the answer vector and calling helper function. Root answer and return the final answer. So let's check this one. So you can see return for all the test cases. So you can submit. Thank you.